Morning class, morning all. As you'll know, Mr. Dark Kid cannot make it to school today, so I'm your substitute teacher, Mr. Subscribe. So, Mr. Dark Kid said that you will be writing from your textbooks into whatever you do basically. But today, I decided we're not going to be doing that, and I'm going to be teaching you with darts. So class, today, what do you think we'll be doing? Darts. You think you're funny, little Richard? You think you're funny? You're not funny. Yeah, you think. Yeah. Right. Basically, today I'm going to be throwing some darts in multiple different ways. I want you to be calculating them, and basically, there's no plan for today. I'm your substitute. I don't actually have to teach you anything. I'm just a substitute. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Right, class. First question. If I had 3 darts and I throw 2 of them, how many darts do I have left?
Sir, it's 1.
Sorry, did you say 1? Are you stupid? Are you all stupid? Obviously I still got 3, because these are my darts. That's what I thought. Right, next one. Right, so for this one, calculate this. First one to get it doesn't have to do homework today.
44.
What's that? So you reckon it's 43. Does anyone else have any other suggestions? 180. No, it's not 180. Do you think that's 180? Bullseye. It can't be bullseye. What? There's 44 people. How dumb are you? I swear, man. That's probably why Mr. Dark Kid isn't even here today. Next one, we've got angles. So if I stand for the board side on, my arm is faced in a sort of L-shaped direction. It's on roughly, this would be a 90 degree. So we're looking at roughly probably around the lines of, you can calculate. I'm the teacher, I don't have to tell you. So if I have my arm at, let's say a degree angle, yes, it's a certain degree angle, and my dart is facing down sloped. My eyes, which you can't see because I'm wearing glasses, face towards my target. So you basically just have to calculate the angle of which the dart's going to travel and where it's going to go. So let's go. So, any suggestions on where this is going?
According to my calculations, that would be a total 20.
Someone actually smart? Obviously I'm going triple 20 on the dart player. What do you expect me? Now, I've got 2 different sets of darts with 2 different sets of flights on them. This one has standard shaped flights, while this one has teardrop. Now, can anyone explain to me how shape of the flight will affect the aerodynamics throughout the velocity of which the dart can travel, and then precisely aiming in which the direction of flight that the dart will enter the board in? No one? No one can answer that question? No, me either. I'm not even a real teacher, to be honest. Right, so the last subject for today's maths is measurement. So basically, pull out your ruler. Yeah, whose is this? Still got your name on it, mate. Are you like 5 years old? Oh, hang on. Jack, subscribe. Oh. Speaking of subscribe, if a ruler told me to subscribe, I would consider subscribing, you know, like Jack subscribe. It just makes sense at this point. If you just wanted to subscribe, you know, it's free, so like, yeah, I'd subscribe. So, measurement, right? So, we're going to be measuring 2 parts of this dart. We've got the point just the point, nothing else. Just get straight to the point, you know. So funny. Oh, just be a comedian. Not even a real substitute, just be a comedian. So, and then the second will be the actual barrel of the dart. Why is it called barrel? I don't know, it doesn't look like a barrel. So, but anyway, that doesn't matter, because we're just gonna get to measuring these darts. Right, so when it comes to measuring darts and points, you know, it's pretty simple. Basically, ooh, that looks quite sick. Anyway, back to the task. Alright, so I'm measuring the points, and yeah, the points are 30 millimeters. Just write that down. Just basically copy what I'm doing.
Alright then.
3 centimeters. 30 millimeters. You know. Then you got the barrel. I mean, we'll just measure just the barrel. Exclude the point. You know, the point's not too important. See, now we're getting into like this thing where it's weird. Let's just say they're a 45 millimeter barrel. I'm not too worried, you know. You get it wrong, that's your problem, not mine. You were the one that read it down in your book and I didn't. So basically that's measurement for you. Anyway, that is today's math lesson class. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you didn't, you go into the principal's office. Alright, anyway, thank you, and I'll catch you guys next lesson. Have a nice day again.